Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google to this upper search bar, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for, along with your city name. And after doing that, you'll scroll down and pick from the first few results down below, or you'll pick from this Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick from, but it seems to be a pretty popular option overall, as there's roughly 600 searches every single month for roofing in that Wilmington area. And the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that roughly 600 people every single month see our business first before looking at our competitor. Now, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we're going to need to understand first. So let's start off with content because content is king on Google. And we're going to take a look at your competitor's site, see what they're doing as far as content to rank on the first page, and then we'll come back to your website and see how you stack up on your competitor's site. And if we scroll down, you're going to notice that they have a good amount of content on this page, a few different paragraphs here and there, but nothing too intense where we really can't go in and outrank them, or I should say outdo them in content, because we're going to want to go bigger and better than them in every single aspect to outrank them, and that includes content. So, if they have 500 words, I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. And you can feel free to go much higher than that, but that's just the bare minimum of what I recommend because content is very important to promoting a positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google is looking for when they are looking to promote a website on the first page. But now, if we went through their content, you'd notice even more so that they also have tons of industry specific keywords. And to give you an idea, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So it's very important that we not only have a very contentful site, but that we also have those keywords to back it. So let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. So now here we are on your website, and as we scroll through, I noticed that you do have a few different paragraphs of content here, and that's great. It's always great to have a base, but like I said, we're going to want to go bigger and better than our competition, so we're going to want to build out this content even more. Like I said, 750 to 1,000 words bare minimum, and we're going to need those industry-specific keywords, things like roofing, Wilmington, and really anything that you want to convey to Google that's roofing related, because we really want to drive home the point to them that we're a roofing company in that Wilmington area. That way they can rank us accordingly. But that's only going to be the first half of this process, and that's the internal side of things. That's going to help set the foundation. We also have our external side of things, which is going to be our backlinks and our citations. And those are going to be really important for helping us climb over our competition because, like I said, our internal things are going to help determine where we rank, while the external things help determine how we climb. So let's take a look at your external backlink structure on your competitor, and then we'll come back and compare that to you. So now here we are in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll see your competitor has about 730 backlinks built to their site. And it's generating them some nice power and bringing in about 384 users every single month. And now those 384 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the external things that they're doing as far as backlinking goes. So we're going to need to do a great job on both ends to really tie those together and create the strongest structure possible. And if you do that, I don't see any reason why as to why you shouldn't be able to generate upwards of 400 users or even take some of their traffic away. So definitely very doable. But let's go back to your website and see what you're doing as far as backlinking goes. We are taking a look at your backlink structure, and you're very similar. You have some nice backlinks here. You have about 390. You have a nice score here, and it's bringing in about 336 users every single month. But the goal of this is always to expand. You'll see your traffic value is at $536 a month while theirs was over $3,000. So we're going to want to redirect this power at a more buyer intent related keyword because traffic value is a direct result of the buyer intent of each user based on the keyword that they come from. So very important that we not only have traffic, but we have the right traffic. And in this case, while you do have some traffic, that traffic doesn't carry as much buyer intent. So it's not going to do us as much good. But back to our whole thing about going bigger and better. So while you do have more backlinks, we're going to want to expand that margin. I would recommend building up to even 500, maybe even 900 backlinks to really go above and beyond your competitor and spread those margins on top of our content and on top of our keywords. But now there was one more aspect to this that I did mention, and that was citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack and talk about citations. So here we are in Google and we have this map pack, and this map pack is super important because it gives us a second place that we can show our business online. And if we can rank number one in the map pack and down below, we guarantee that roughly 600 people see our business every single month. Now, the map pack looks for a variety of different things, one of the more important factors being citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I actually went in and I took a look at these citations from top to bottom on each company, and number one had 52 citations, number two had 37, and lastly, number three had 29. So if number one is 52 citations, once again, always bigger and better. So we're going to want 104 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our keywords. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic your business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that your business is generating month over month. Now, that's all I have for you, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could 600 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.